Hey, cute friends. I love a good salad, and I've been craving my Asian chicken salad found in our Dump Cooking Cookbook, and it's on page 5. It is so easy and so simple and delicious. So let's get started making it. In a large bowl, we're just going to add 1 bag of broccoli slaw. Next, we're going to put in 2 cups of lemon rotisserie chicken. We're going to add about 1/2 cup of sliced almonds. One small can of mandarin oranges drained. And now we're going to add about 1 cup of the Asian sesame ginger dressing. You can really choose whatever you like, but I wanted to choose this because it is fat-free and sugar-free. Now let's give this a good toss. Right before serving, add these crunchy chow mein noodles. They are so delicious and the perfect way to top it. You can also stir this around really well. All right, wasn't that so easy? And you guys, it is smelling so good, and I know it's so delicious. I really wish you guys were here to share it with me. So I'm just gonna do a really quick little taste of it. And again, I wanna remind you, this is in our little Dump Cooking Cookbook, and that Dump Cooking Cookbook is amazing. So I hope that if you don't have it, you can order it at MissAnniesHomeandKitchen.com, and we'll put a link in this video. But let me taste this. So good. Okay, everyone. Thanks for joining me. As always, I want to remind you to be stronger every day and know that you can do hard things. All right, we'll see you next time, sweet friends. Bye.